In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new workspace in Slack. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or collaborating with different teams, managing various workspaces efficiently can truly enhance your productivity. Let's walk through the process step by step to seamlessly bring in a new workspace to your Slack app. First, ensure you've got your Slack app open on your device and you're on the Home tab. The Home tab is your central hub, where you'll find a collection of messages and notifications that pertain to your active workspace. It's like the pulse of your current working environment, keeping you in the loop with ongoing conversations. Now, what you want to do is swipe right on this Home tab. This simple swipe gesture reveals the Workspace's sidebar. Think of this sidebar as your directory for all existing workspaces. It provides access to each team and project you're connected to, allowing you to hop between them efficiently. Once you have this sidebar open, scroll down to the bottom. This section of the sidebar is crucial for expanding your Slack environment because it's where you'll find the option to add new workspaces. There's a noticeable button labeled Add a Workspace down there, ready to assist you. Tap this Add a Workspace option to start bringing another workspace into your fold. Doing so will present you with several choices for connecting to additional workspaces. You're looking for the one that states Sign in to another workspace. Selecting this option is key to bridging your current Slack usage with another team or project space. It's helpful to have your login information ready for the new workspace at this stage. Depending on how you're set up, you might be asked to authenticate, either by entering an email and password or using another method like single sign-on. Take this opportunity to get all the details correct to ensure a smooth login process. Remember, managing multiple workspaces effectively can greatly aid in compartmentalizing your tasks and maintaining focus. Each workspace can be customized with its own set of channels, apps, and integrations, providing a tailored experience suited to the needs of each team or project. Should you find the interface getting a bit cluttered, Slack makes it easy to switch back and forth with minimal hassle, ensuring your attention is just where it needs to be. With these steps, you're well on your way to seamlessly integrating another workspace into your Slack interface. With your new workspace added, you're now equipped to collaborate with even more teams and dive into diverse projects with ease. We hope this guide helps you become even more productive and engaged in your Slack environment. Thanks for joining us, and happy collaborating.